In this video, I will show you how to return items on ASOS. So in order to do this, you simply want to go and open up the ASOS website or app on your phone or desktop and sign into your account that you placed the order from for which you want to return the product, and then just head over into the account section and simply go and click on My Orders. Then from there you will be able to find all of your orders. Now just going to click on the order that you want to return the products for. And now this right here is an order I placed a few years ago, so I can obviously not return this, but if this is within the time frame of when you are able to return it, then from there here you can just go and click on return items, and then you will need to select which item you want to return in case you have multiple items like I had right here, and then from there you can then simply go and give a reason, and after doing that they will provide you with a QR code or a shipping label that you can print out, and you will need to select at which location you want to drop it off, and then from there you can go and repackage your items and then add the shipping label or use the QR code that you get and then drop it off at the location that you selected in order for it to be returned, and once they get it you will then get your money back. So that's how you can return items on ASOS. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.